Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're just going to be working on Deontay from Lifestyles Acura Integra.
What's up, guys?
We'll be doing a clutch install, so stay tuned.
I won't have to go to the gym. I was going to go to the gym before.
Alright, so we got the new flywheel here.
I'm like, wait.
Got the throwout bearing. And Excetti clutch. What's this, a stage 1 or stage 2?
High enough or no?
We're going to go as high as we can go.
I think it's stage 2.
Hold on, let me put something in the back.
So we got Tony here jacking
As
it
high
up.
as we can go.
And then what we got to do is we got to take the wheels off. And we got to take the axle bolts. Right, hit the axle bolts, get the fork, get the axles out. Then we can hit all the bolts up front, T-bracket, shift linkage, trans mount. And then we can swap everything else over. Probably hard to see, but right now Tony is underneath the car, rigging up the shift linkage off, tapping out that bitch pin. Then we'll go ahead and pop the axles off after we take these wheels off. Alright, so a quick update. We just got the transmission pulled out. Here it is. Now we just got to get the clutch. Hard to see. There we go. Got to pull the flywheel, clutch.
What's up, guys?
All that out. I'll be right back.
That's all you.
Alright, so it's kind of hard to see, but
Before you put your clutch on,
the,
find out, pull that clutch off, bro.
here you go, homie's got the light. So we got the,
Pull that clutch off. Make sure you're, you know where your holes are gonna line up, and then you go and put your clutch after, you know.
alright, so we got Tony down here.
Slaving like a Mexican.
Slaving. Like a Mexican, apparently.
Not paying
So we're throwing the clutch on.
Painted.
And the flywheel, or we got the flywheel on, the clutch is going on, now the pressure plate's going over that.
That's not it, buddy.
You gotta bring it up. You gotta bring it up. Turn it to the left. That's right.
Okay, to the left.
A little more.
Left, right.
There you go.
Up, down, up, down. The contra code.
I can't see shit.
Alright, so I'm gonna help him out. We'll get this in.
Hold this.
We'll get right back to you guys.
Hey.
Alright, so we got the transmission stab back in. It was a bitch, but we did it. Everything's getting buttoned back up. Tony's underneath. He's getting the shift linkage put back in. We got a couple other things here and there. And then we'll take it for a drive and see what he thinks about his new clutch. Alright guys, so we just finished up putting everything in. Right now we tighten up the axle nuts. Then we get the lug nuts. And then we'll take this around the block and see how it looks.
Sounds good. I can hear it.
Alright, so we just finished up the clutch. We're taking it around the block. How are you feeling about it?
Feels way smoother.
So we
Engages right in the middle now. Before it would get engaged right at the top and just freaking just launch, pretty much. It took a lot of muscle memory to learn how to do this one.
Alright, so like I said, let the 500-mile break in, and you can get on it. Alright, so that's going to cut it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.